Number 6. If my car uses 20 gallons of gas to drive 500 miles, how many gallons of gas will it use to drive 741 miles at this rate? So this is a proportion. We know that 20 gallons will get us 500 miles. We want to know 741 miles. So we have miles on the bottom and gallons on the top. We need to cross multiply. 20 times 741 would be 14,820. Multiplying 500 by x is 500x. We always divide by the number with the x, so we'll divide by 500. And this gives us 29.64 gallons of gas. Number 7. Electrical impulses in nerve fibers travel 298 kilometers in 24 hours. What is this rate in kilometers per hour? So the kilometers per hour tells us exactly what we need to do. Per means divide. So I'll take my number of kilometers, 298, divided by the number of hours, 2.4. This gives 124.16 bar, since the 6 will repeat forever. Part B. At this rate, how long will it take for these impulses to travel 410 kilometers? So a rate indicates a proportion. So 298 kilometers in 2.4 hours, and we want to know 410 kilometers in how long. So anytime you see the proportion, we'll cross multiply. This is just 298x, and here 410 times 2.4, which is 984. We divide by the number with the x, 298, and this gives us roughly 3.3 hours that it will take to travel this far. Number 8. A gym recently opened in the area. To attract customers, it offered a discount of 2/5 off the yearly membership for the first year. If the membership costs $250 a year, what is the discount offered? So a discount comes from our percent off, which will be 2/5, times the original price, $250. 2/5 times 250 is 100. So the discount would be $100 off. Part B. What would the final cost of the membership be after the discount? Well, the discount is 100 and the original cost is $250. So $250 minus the $100 discount gives us a price of $150. Number 9. During a sale, a dress decreased in price from $80 to $76. What was the percent decrease? So when we're looking at a decrease, the first step is to figure out exactly how much the price went down. 80 minus 76 gives us $4 discount. Divide this by the original price, and we should get the percent decrease, which is 0.05, or as a percent, 5%. Number 10. Recently, the United States dollar was valued at 1.25 Canadian dollars. What is the USD value of 200 Canadian dollars? Well, this is a conversion. We're starting with 200 Canadian dollars. When we do a conversion, we put what we have on the bottom, Canadian dollars, what we want on the top, US dollars. Well, 1 US dollar is 1.25 Canadian. So here we should divide. And 200 divided by 1.25 is 160 US dollars. What is the Canadian dollar value of $200? Well, now we have 200 US dollars. So this time we have US dollars and we want Canadian dollars. The exchange rate is still the same. 1.25 Canadian is 1 US. Multiplying this gives $250 in Canadian dollars.